Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. And then looking at one of the newer features, that being the 2 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard found in the bed, so you can use your truck as a sort of generator for your tools and equipment. And then the new tailgate, which is of a rugged design with measurements and holes for your clamps. First, looking into the back, where you have seating for 3 with a bench seat that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop status, and you're now playing. Then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. As well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector. It's going to yell at me, you have normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have a USB and USB-C there. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have your shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open room here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. And then last but not least, looking back, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.